So welcome to another video, and it's the 30th of March 2024. It's the first day of the light nights, and I'm just going to walk down Sunnyside Avenue here and have a look at these amazing trees. They're absolutely beautiful. Let's just have a look as we go down. What do you think of these trees?
Do you know what? I forgot how awesome it actually is. I'm going to walk down the middle of the street here in a minute. So this is Sunnyside Avenue in Tunstall, and every April you get these amazing cherry blossoms, are they?
I don't know what they are, but they just look absolutely fantastic, don't they?
Wonderful. I tell you what I'd love to do here is get the drone straight down. A bit windy tonight. But
and fly down the street.
Yeah, it'd be amazing, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Actually, if I lived here, that's what I'd do. I'd just zoom it down. Beautiful though, aren't they? What kind of trees are they?
Cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom. Cherry blossom tree.
Amazing, aren't they? But Darryl was right, they are cherry blossom.
And it goes all the way down the street, doesn't it?
Yeah, top to bottom.
I mean, when you look back up, look at this. And you've got the perfect sky for it as well, haven't you? Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow. Absolutely stunning, aren't they? Beautiful.
Well, you can't beat that, can you? I mean, let's just zoom in on that for you there. It's just amazing, isn't it? I drove down a road somewhere in Stafford like this yesterday. That's why I was wondering if they were out at the park, but there must be different trees there, mustn't they?
Yeah, so in Tunstall Park, the blossoms come out normally in May. It must have been a few years since we walked down here, isn't it?
Beautiful, isn't it? Really, really nice. Look at that one there.
Just amazing, aren't they?
Yeah. I hope the camera's picking up how beautiful these actually are, because they just are absolutely fantastic, aren't they?
And we're almost in Mill Hill at the bottom, look here.
Yeah. Yeah, there's actual Mill Hill sign there, isn't there?
There is, yeah.
So that's just amazing, isn't it? It's well worth just coming and looking at that, wasn't it, really?
It's nice. Come and walk down Sunnyside Avenue, walk down the middle of the road, not much traffic. We'll walk just to the school and then we'll walk back up. And
well, what I think I'll do, I'll walk to the end, you can walk back up and pick me up at the end.
You're going to walk all the way down, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, pretty good idea, I reckon, yeah.
So I'll walk down to the bottom, and then you can pick me up there at the bottom. So this is the school, is it?
Yeah, let's look at the cherry blossoms there, eh?
Yeah, that's beautiful, that is, with the beautiful blue sky there.
Look amazing. Right, I'm going to head back up, enjoy it up here.
So you're going back that way, are you?
I'll see you the other end.
Yeah, I'll carry on to the end and you can pick me up. So Darryl's walked probably halfway down. I'm going to walk all the way down. I'm just going to go past the school here, and he's going to pick me up at the bottom. So let's carry on going down here. There's the Mill Hill sign and the Mill Hill Primary Academy. Like I say, it looks like they're doing a lot of work on that. But these trees, they're just beautiful. And like Darryl says, they're all the way down. It doesn't look quite as good here because they've only got them one side of the road. When they've got them on both sides, they look amazing. Virtually all the way down this road, and there hasn't come a car yet. So it's really, really quiet. Well, let's carry on. 20 mile an hour down here. There's a 20-mile-an-hour sign there, look. Have another look back there and zoom in for you. Beautiful. And I'll carry on heading down. Look at the big grounds to this school. Loads of car parking there. I don't know whether you can see it there, we've got a load of daffodils as well. I'm still going, and there's still plenty of these trees as I come down here. Amazing, look. It's a fair walk down here, you know. And this Millhill School, there's a second car park there as well. Like I say, it's a big school. And I'm still walking in the middle of the road, and a car hasn't come down yet. And as we get further down here, there's more of these cherry blossoms on both sides of the road again. Another 20-mile-an-hour sign there. Some potholes. The road's in quite a bad state of repair. And this van has been clamped. Look at that. Got a Ford rent-a-car there. And there's actually a car coming down, so I'll stop filming a minute while I get on the pavement. So there you go, that's the first cars that have actually come down here since I started walking. And we're still walking along the side of the playing fields of the school. That's amazing. And there's more now of these amazing cherry blossoms here, looky. And I'm just going to have to tuck in again because there's another car, believe it or not, coming down. So I'll just move out of its way for a minute, and we'll carry on walking down to the car and checking these cherry blossom trees out. I think it's a beautiful night to do this because, like I say, the blue sky really does make it look amazing. Cracking. Absolutely stunning. So I'm nearly back now to where Daryl's parked. I think he might be going in a little park here. There's like a little park in front of us, and he probably will fly his drone. Let's have a look.